morning. Good morning, Elise. Ayan, mag-swimming daw sila sa 7th floor. Ayan, good morning. Kuwan na, 7:30. Ako maaga akong nagising. Kasi nga, ayan, syempre namamahay. Tapos, ayan, nag-text si na Jonibel na nandun na. Si Jonibel nasa gym. Tapos yung mga bata nasa swimming pool na, kaya hahabol kami.
Where are you going? Down?
Up. Oh, ayan na sila. Dali na. Dali na. Dito kasi tayo. Is it cold? Is it cold?
He's naked. His fur. This is pants. No! He's naked. Naked boy.
Ayan, papunta kami sa Intramuros.
Manila Cathedral. Kasi
Intramuros.
Can I say hello?
Para ma-kuha nilang history ng Philippines.
Yes, give it. I got the red ones here.
oh, look! That's too old now.
Mga gorgeous sibil.
Give it to both of us.
Ito talaga, mga bado. Look,
Ayun.
kuya.
Ayun, mga gorgeous sibil.
Kuya, look.
Look at the guard.
Look at the guard. He's wearing like an old style.
That's the
Gorgeous sibil
old.
nga. Oh, alam mo, kalesa.
Oh.
Did we just go to an old town? As in the
This is it. Intramuros. Old town. See? Old. Oh, grabe na preserve. I'm so proud.
Is it one of those towns that
Look at
act
the
like
horses.
Na, Barali-bali.
Ay, nandito kami baka.
Garo garo uniform ning Central.
Dahil kakanan siya go.
Ten mo na.
Andito na kami sa Intramuros. Ang last kong nagpunta dito siguro, student pa ako.
Maripost na lang ko sa mga post niya.
Where is this account?
Yan ang Cathedral, Manila Cathedral.
Iba yan itong lagayan ng laon.
Sanagan niya pa yung paghahanap. Tagal niya na kasi nang grabe ang bila. Naghahanap kami ng makakainan. Yan daw ang unang tinirhan ni Father Burgos.
po yung nakatira na po dyan is Chinese po.
Ay! Bakit?
Ano na po yan ma'am eh, bali ginawa na po siyang museum.
Ay!
Dito naman po, ito po is warehouse na po ito ng mga mangga. Po. Yung owner po kasi niya is nag-export po ng mga mangga galing po dito, papunta po sa iba't ibang bansa. Kaya po ng
Mga abo. Kailan ito ginawa, sir?
tagal na to siya.
Time capsule of 1945, bubuksan.
Oh!
Look at the English.
Hindi mo siya pwedeng buksan. Bubuksan daw yan ng 2045.
2045 ba?
That's a looking thing.
Yes, yes. So now,
Day pa. Sa Bakara lang. Diyan pala sinuting ang pulang lupa, ay pulang araw. Tsaka yung Ibarra. Bago daw ito, pinagawa ni First Lady.
yun ang tigwal talaga ninda. Nilaga nindang buol ang buong Manila area.
Ito daw ang old Malacanang noon. Na sino nag-coin nitong Malacanang?
Yan ma'am, bali nung nagawa na po yung pinapagawa sa Malacanang.
Oo.
Bali,
Dito muna pala sila noon. Ah. Dito na kami sa Fort Santiago.
Scary, no?
Not superhero.
What was the superhero thing?
Sarang kabate.
Tibay na talaga siya. Tibay talaga na kanake kong photographer ay. Ay sus, dito na kami bumaba kasi super traffic. Maghahanap si Ping ng parking. Eh dito kami magdi-dinner sa Vikings. Sus, grabe ang pila. Super. Buti may reservation kami. This is the food. Third is going to be last. Come. Dessert is going to be last. Come. This one is rice. Ito, this is vegetables. This is vegetables. And this is dim sum. Dim sum like this one. Siomai. Like that. Kami. See? Oh, if you want to eat sushi, just go here. Look at that. See? This one is salad. This one is vegetable. I don't think you like it. And this is soup. That on Philippines. Yeah. This one. What about this one? It's oven baked pork. This one. This one is yes. May nahanap kami yung lasagna daw. It's fresh. Sige, titingin-tingin ka na. This pizza. There's no lasagna.
Okay, cut.
Carry stuff.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Happy birthday, sir! Patrick, naging bati po.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Boss, maraming salamat.
Naging bati.
Maraming salamat.
Sige ma'am, harap pa sa camera ma'am. Harap yung cake at picture po.
Picture.